Ellen, just like Adam said. And these two beautiful girls, hello, very nice. Yes, they are Amazon parrots, typically found in South and Central America, but these two, because they've grown up around people, yes, they've learned to mimic us. You can hear a little bit of that mimicry with the hello. But we also know some other things, right? You want to tell everybody your names? What's your name? Thank you, I love you too. Your name is? Molly. Yeah, Molly. And what's your name?
Gabriella.
Gabriella, very nice. She goes by Gabby for short. Yeah, that's so sweet. So we don't just know our names, right? Oh, you're calling the kitty? That's so sweet. Yeah, my parent might call a kitty. I'm not really sure. It's not the best idea, but it's still very sweet. But how about we show off something a little bit better? How about we sing our song? Want to sing about the farm? That's not about the farm.
No, it's a real quiet farm in the hillside.
No animals on that farm. You want to sing about the farm? That is your Spanish song. All right, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Yeah, hello. These two parents are allowed to do whatever they want. And sometimes, you know... That's so nice of you. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we just needed a little bit of momentum going there, right? What was that? Yes, you cheered her on very nicely. That was very good. Yeah, but we also have some other songs, right? You already heard a little bit of La Cucaracha, but how about we sing our song? Let's sing.
You are my sunshine, fire. You make me happy all the time. You'll never know how much I love.
Should I sing it like that?
So please don't take my time away.
Oh, that's very nice. Yeah, we finally got that one out there. It's a very suspenseful version of You Are My Sunshine. But it's very nice. All right, we have one more song. How about you turn around this way? I love you too. Thank you. How about we sing in Spanish? You want to sing in Spanish? Yeah! And that's Molly and Gabby. Nice job!
Thank you so much, Ellen. And those parrots are super awesome, but most parrots never